Jillian Michaels 30-day shred day. I'm not sure what day this is, but a day. And this is day 2 of my targeted training challenge. For better or for worse, it seems that I'm doing a Jillian Michaels 30-day shred. I really only started doing the thing because I needed something to do and it was on Netflix. But now that I'm like 4 or 5 days in, I figured that I might as well just stick it out until the 30 days done and see what it can do for me. So we're doing that. It went well. My aim is to actually be able to exercise up to the point where Jillian says 2 more, because right now about 2 before she says 2 more, my body capsizes and I stop doing whatever it is. But you see this thing where she said that you can take a 5-second break, that worked for me. When she give me a time, right, she said take 5 seconds, but take the 5 seconds and I take a deep breath. It worked. I didn't know what I like about Jillian workout. In 20 minutes it is done and I can go about my business. Me can shoot myself for 20 minutes rather than having to drag myself for 40 minutes. Although dragging myself for 40 minutes, I do feel as though I get more working out done than pushing myself for 20 minutes. But I don't know if it is because I feel tired and pop down at the end of it. I really feel like I've pushed my body when I do the 40-minute workout. But for a 20-minute workout, Jillian's workout is not bad at all. So today I did the second part of my targeted training, which is legs. I put in a video down there, so it's a Pilates video that I did, and so of course, you know, you look a 3-minute thing and they're like, oh, okay, so you just do this, and then when you read the little fine, it's always the fine print that gets you. The fine print, they're like, oh, you must do 12 to 15 reps on each side, and then you must on each exercise, and then you must do that 2 to 3 times. Yeah, they really didn't make that clear at the beginning, because a woman had you doing like 8 of each. So I was like, oh, 8 back foot with my leg, just lift up my leg and turn it in a circle and all of that type of thing. When you're doing 12 to 15, it's different, and when you're doing 2 to 3, it's even more different. And when you're doing Pilates as opposed to like hardcore, like jump up and down, high impact aerobics, it's completely different thing. So when you're doing the jump up and down, all you're concentrating on is not dying. So when you're doing Pilates, you hear the vehicles drive past, you hear your dogs bark, you hear your own thoughts, you hear the things that you accomplished and did not accomplish for the day running through your head. It's really just a quiet time for you and your Jesus and your mind to spend quality time with your body. It works for me sometimes, but sometimes I wish I had somebody screaming at me to distract me from the fact that this leg is wobbling right now and about to fall to the ground as though it is not hinged to my body. If you have been paying attention to More Fitness or my tweets, you would know that I'm going through a hungry patch in my life. If I did not know that I was living saved and sanctified, I would assume that I was breathing, because right now I have worn a path between my office and the fridge in the kitchen because I am constantly eating. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it is because for the first time in a long time I'm working out semi-consistently. Big ups to me motivating people to do them workout and being inconsistent with mine, but I'm committed and I never stop for too long. Okay, even if I stop for long, I start back. That's what counts. Anyway, I'm just hungry. I don't know what. Last night in the middle of the night, I get up, I'm find a half of a Whopper into the fridge, I'm just name it. I'm just drink some water and tell myself so the water go dilute down the fat and the sugars, and just went back to bed. I just went back to bed and I never even feel bad about it. Something has to be done. I feel like maybe I just need to get like some fruits and some nuts or something in the house and just hope that that is going to buy me down, or just drink a million of these. But right now I'm just raw and hungry at all times, and the only thing that can satisfy me is meat. I'm like straight caveman, like I just want to go out there and club a cow. Well, not really club a cow, because cows are pretty and I don't believe in clubbing the cute animals. Things like barracuda, them can dead because them ugly. So anyways, yes, this Pilates workout, if you're going to attempt it, the leg one, I would advise that you do your stretches, because your hip flexors are going to burn. Now, hip flexor is a muscle that when you want to stretch it, you look like you're doing some type of pornographic movement, because it's a whole heap of juking and bracing out of your pelvic area. Right, stretch that, because in the middle of it, that is going to give up on you. Shaun used to spend like 5 minutes stretching that for no reason, and I thought it was because he was trying to contribute to like our extracurricular activities like our sex life. No, it's actually that you need to use that muscle if you're going to do any type of lower body exercise. So do your stretches, otherwise do your workout and try to live healthy. Do the Pilates thing that I've done there. You see how the thing shaky? No, YouTube I got them said shaky. Anyway, do the Pilates thing or whatever targeted training thing you're doing. Day 2 of the challenge. Read them up, everybody on deck. Peace and chicken grease. Goodbye.